Welcome everyone to another new video. This is Stay Outside and Explore. Today we're inside because it's pretty nasty out there and the wind is blowing around 30 miles an hour and it's like about 25 degrees. It's not spring-like weather out there, but we got something that's going to be like spring. Just got this Coleman grill. It's got 2 burners, 11,000 BTU. Just like I said, just got it. So let's unbox it and see what it looks like inside. I'm kind of excited. All right, open it up. Try not to cut my hand. We have to put it together, but wow, these grates are really strong, really beefy, nice. Okay, we'll put that one over here. The other side. Almost like a griddle and a grill. It's pretty hefty there. So some more unboxing. Put the styrofoam on the floor here. When I lifted this box up, this is no joke. This thing is heavy duty. We're going to take this, you know, we can go camping with it, to parks, stuff like that. We don't live that far away from a state park where we can go do our own cooking, you know, hang out for a day when it's nice and warm out, if it ever gets that warm. They say spring is around the corner, and last week it was nice and warm, and then all of a sudden this cold front came through, and yeah. All right. To bring out my knife again. Oh, this is the gas hooked up. Almost like my griddle that I have, kind of on the same aspect of it. All right. All right, let's take it out of the plastic. Let's see what it looks like. Thought maybe you'd have to put this together. I'm kind of glad. Looks like it's already put together. I mean, I know you have to do a couple things, but a lot of times you might have to just put the lid on, put the handle on. Yeah, they got the cardboard. No, this looks really nice. I'm really impressed. Can't wait to use it. Looks like they got some type of sticking system in there. Don't want that to burn. Alright. Yeah, so it's got an inner burner and an outer burner. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Nice little spark instructions. let's put the grate on. Like I said, this is no joke. This grate system. You can hear it just by, yeah, so I'll look at the instructions and see where you put the gas. Oh, it's right here, back here. Right there. Let's put it right on there. You're good to go. Put your portable tank, which I refuel. And you're good to go. Nice. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this. I'll have to do a review when I want to start it up and cook on it. But looks like you can, you know, like a little bit of a griddle there. I wonder if you can do put yourself like grilled cheese here or something, you know, if you want it. But yeah, this is pretty decent. I'll do another review when it's a little nicer out and I'm cooking on it, and then you guys can see how that works. So, all right. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And I think that should do it. Appreciate everyone watching, and we'll see you when I put out another video. Thanks for watching.